Hi, my name is Rupesh Gupta. I'm the director of Institute of Design Innovation, and it's a fashion designing and interior designing photography institute. And we train students for becoming a designer in the field of fashion interiors. And we have 6 months and 1 year courses. And this is a career-oriented courses for the students who wants to become a designers in the industry. We train students individually, and there is a like we have a different timings. We have morning batch, evening batch, and afternoon batches, and there are a lot of career options in the these courses. After doing the course, then they can become a designer, they can become a freelance designer, and they can opt for jobs also. But the specialty of the institute is we will be helping the students from end to end. So we make the designers, after doing the course they can go for a fashion show, and then we will be launching as a designers in the industry. It will be different from the BCom or regular courses. While doing the regular courses also, they can offer these courses, and they can like have a double advantage, having a degree and the fashion designing course. So the job opportunity will be become more. అన్నీ ఉన్నారండి, like they have different streams, like they are the eligibility for these courses are 10th class, and I have students from the engineering, I have students from degree, I have students from intermediate. So there are a lot of students coming from the different streams. Like the students after completion of the degree, they are joining these courses, and after doing intermediate, they are joining the courses. When we say why you have chosen this field, say they will be telling like, because of the parents we have done the engineering, and then our interest is to become a fashion designer. So for that they are joining this course, and this course is only for the creative field. Those who have a interest, they only can do this course. Both girls and boys, both equal importance ఉంటాయండి, ఈక్వల్ అది ఉంటాయి. అంటే రేషియో అంటే ఫ్యాషన్ డిజైనింగ్లో 60-40 ఉంటుందండి. 60% గర్ల్స్ చాలా ఉంటాయి, 40% బాయ్స్ ఉంటారు. అండ్ ఇన్ ఇంటీరియర్ డిజైనింగ్ దెర్ ఆర్ రివర్స్, like boys will be 60% and girls will be 40%. Presently I'm running with the 3 batches, and 2 batches are already full, and only afternoon batch we are going to take the admissions. So presently good number of students, and there are a lot of scopes in the fashion industry, and the jobs. And in Hyderabad the fashion is increasing day by day. Like earlier the fashion industry, if anybody asks for the fashion industry, they obviously say Bombay, Bangalore or Pune. But now fashion is growing in Hyderabad, and there are fashion industries which is coming in the Hyderabad nowadays. So the job opportunities also increase, and the employment will also. We will be one of the top most fashion industry in Hyderabad.